Sage 200 Manufacturing. What is works order processing? Works order processing provides natural extension to Sage 200's bill of materials and stock control modules, and is an ideal addition for any client working within the manufacturing space. By creating a new works order, we can quickly select the stock item we need to build directly from its BOM, apply the quantity we want to build, and works order processing will pull together the list of required components, as well as any associated labour time and machine resources needed for the build. For those that have a more bespoke process, works orders can be built from scratch or converted from estimates, and a BOM can be made from it. You can set the default locations for the finished product to go to and for the components to come from, and then allocate the raw components, with the system automatically prioritising the default location as the source. Works orders will also allow you to create purchase orders or WOP requisitions for any stock shortages you may have for the project. Pulling in your preferred suppliers for each component, it will create these POs automatically, eliminating the need for manual double entry. Lines in blue on your works orders are sub-assemblies that can have their own works orders linked directly to them. See how this subassembly has work order number ending /1 from the parent, and again another subassembly below that. With Sage bill of materials and manufacturing works order processing, there is no limit to the number of sub-assemblies a bill of materials can have on a works order. Once all stock is allocated, it can be issued, and then the completed product can be booked into stock, including support for traceable items as well as multiple output locations. Here you can also log any scrappage against a works order. Works order processing also comes with a number of other useful tools and functionalities. The Backflush Utility is used to complete works orders quickly. The screen leads you through the 5 steps, and it's possible to backflush multiple works orders at the same time. Bulks Issue allows you to search by a component stock code and review all outstanding works orders that require this certain stock item. The expediting function is built for you to be able to examine outstanding component lines on current works orders. Colour coded for simplicity, green lines will have enough free stock for the time it is required. Orange lines can be fulfilled by purchase orders that will arrive before the works order scheduled start date, whilst red lines are potential problem stock that need actioning. All of these features, as well as a plethora of reports built into the module, including picking lists, sales orders linked to works orders, labour analysis, traceable components in finished items, to name just a few. Works orders is the home of your product production in Sage 200 Manufacturing. So why not reach out today to one of our award-winning team to discuss works order processing in more detail and see how Sage 200 Manufacturing can improve your production process. Visit us at www.itesolutions.co.uk.